Hi guys, so in this video I will show why you should not use OOBE, bypass NRO or other techniques to create a local account. So I will just give you an example. Like this is a game, and now when I will try to play it, it will say that this component is not installed. Now a solution to fix it is that install the gaming services which is present in the Microsoft Store, but when I will try to install these gaming services, it won't install, because in order to install anything which does not came with Windows, like the sound recorder came with Windows, so I can update this app, okay, but this gaming services does not came with Windows. So when I will try to update this gaming services, it just won't install. Because it is not installed, this will not work. So why it is not getting installed? It is not getting installed because I'm not logged in into Microsoft account. Now when I try to log in into the Microsoft account, as you can see this error, I'm getting this error. So I tried multiple techniques, like even in services I went, and tried to enable some of the services. I'm trying this for last few days and nothing is working. For example, this service I tried to enable it. It is already enabled, but I'm not able to sign in. And there is one this service as well. These two are services which are required for logging into the Microsoft account. Now, like if I will show you something and just see here, if I will try to log in like from here also, it will give me this error. Okay, because I used a command known as it. I will like show it on the screen. It is known as start, then mscxh local only. So I use that command, and now I'm stuck with a local account. I just can't get out of it. So yeah, now I'm like stuck. I cannot do it. So that is the reason, like I'm really annoyed with this. And like I wanted to take a backup of my program. I'm not able to do this. So the only thing like you can do here is that you can get the updates. You can get the updates for like security fix and other and all. And you can use the Microsoft Store only to get update on the apps which came with the Windows, not the app which you want to install.